A Forsyth County murder that happened almost a quarter century ago is back in the news tonight. The victim was NBA superstar Chris Paul's grandfather, and two of the men who were convicted are now hoping to earn their freedom. Joshua Davis spent the day in court. He joins us live tonight. And Joshua, things got heated at times, didn't they?
That's right, Kenny. There was a lot of back and forth between the defense, the state, the witnesses, and the judge mediating. We spent most of our time revisiting those early trials. Cawthon and Banner, as well as Jamal Tolliver, Kris Bryant, and Darrell Brayboy were sentenced in the 2002 death of Chris Paul's grandfather, Nathaniel Jones. They were all teenagers at the time of Jones' murder. Banner and Cawthon remain behind bars, and that's who's in focus at this hearing. The defense today stated witnesses did not place the 5 men convicted in the original case at the scene, alluding to coerced testimonies from the defendants and a key witness. The state reminded the court this is not a retrial and said the original trials were proper and should be upheld. 2 witnesses were called to the stand today and questioned, both of them attorneys who represented one of the 5 original defendants in this case at some point in time. A lot of emphasis was placed by the defense on the defendant's mental state and circumstances at the time of the murder, which could have led up to the murder. The defense also dug deep into one attorney's trial strategy at the time when he represented Christopher Bryant, including an attempt to suppress a confession. Now, one of the biggest challenges for today was that the witnesses couldn't completely recall some of the information due to how long it's been. Now, the hearing is set to start again tomorrow, and we'll be waiting to hear if Cawthon and Banner will be called to the stand to testify. In Winston-Salem, I'm Joshua Davis for WXII 12 News.